Hi, I would like to talk about finding a good property deal. So, when you're looking for a property to start your serviced accommodation, or to start your Airbnb business, or to start your short term rentals, whatever word you would like to call your business, here are a few tips on how you can actually find a good property deal. Number one is, first of all, do a market research. Find out in your area, is it a busy area? Do you get a lot of tourists? You can do this by visiting a local hotel, probably like Holiday Inn, Premier Inn, and act like you are the guest and you want to book for about 20 or 30 apartments. And if they say they have availability in the week, that means it's not a busy area. And if they tell you that they are busy, they can only give you about 3 or 5, then that will tell you that it is a very busy area. Number two, another tip is, if you don't want to go through that kind of market research, is find out in that area, do they have an airport? Do they have a hospital? Are there many schools? Is there any tourist attraction in that place? These are some of the highlights that brings or draws a lot of people in the area. If there's an airport, there's a hospital, there is a tourist attraction, and there is a lot of schools, that is a good sign that it is a very busy area and you're gonna do so well in your Airbnb. Another